Now I'm going to talk to Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the vegan diet. The vegan diet means that you only eat plant-based foods. So that means no meats, cheeses, dairy products, and usually no fish or eggs either. The vegan diet is very healthy if you choose a variety of foods. Vegans need to worry about their protein, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12 intake, and also their iron intake. It's easy to get these nutrients if you make right choices. So here are four tips on how to make the right choices with the vegan diet. You can get calcium from a variety of sources, like broccoli, almonds, figs, and parsley. And these are good because they're non-animal sources. Also, you can get protein from tofu and beans. You can get calcium from rice, almond, and fortified soy milk. Then you can get vitamin D from different kinds of dry cereal and yeast supplements. And those are some easy ways to follow the vegan diet.